Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix Bluetooth audio delay issues on any Android phone. Now to fix this issue, just open settings and in the search bar, just search Bluetooth. Now just tap on Bluetooth and from here in the paired devices section, just tap on the settings icon in front of the name of your connected device. Then select Unpair. Now after that, just disable Bluetooth. Now just wait for a few seconds, then enable Bluetooth one more time. And from here in the available devices section, just tap on the name of your Bluetooth device and select pair. Now just check if this fixes your issue. Now if this did not fix your issue, just go back, then go to battery. Now on this page, if the power saving option is enabled, just disable power saving. Now sometimes this problem appears when the power saving mode is enabled on your smartphone. Now just make sure to disable power saving mode. Now after that, just go back, then go to apps. Now just tap on the three dots and enable show system apps. Now in the search bar, just search Bluetooth. Now just tap on Bluetooth, then go to storage. Now just select clear cache. Now as you can see, the clear cache option is grayed out. Now if this option is grayed out, just go back, then tap on the search bar and search reset. Tap on reset. Now from here, just tap on the reset option and select reset Bluetooth. Now tap on reset settings. Now as you can see, we have successfully reset the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Now this option will not delete any data on your smartphone. It will only reset all the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone. Now after that, just go to your home screen and restart your smartphone. Now to do that, just open the quick settings and tap on the power icon and select restart. Now as you can see, our smartphone has finished restarting. And this is how you can fix Bluetooth audio delay issue on any Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.